Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can combine word and number right here in this particular cell. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to click into the cell. So we're going to use the equal sign, and notice the equal sign that you have to use whenever time you're actually calculating any number. Then you want to come right here and select this cell right here, and then you're going to put the and sign right here. Notice when you put the and sign there, you come right here and you click, and you're going to press enter. And if you notice it right here, but if you notice there's no space in between it, so you want to do is to click back on this, you're going to come all the way right up here to the formula bar. So you want to click right there. So you want to put in the quotation, then give it a space right there and give it another quotation, just like that. And then you're going to put the word and right there, and then you're going to press enter. You notice this is exactly what happened. But if you want a dollar sign in between, what can you do? You just click back over here, you click right in between where you have the quotation. You're going to put the dollar sign right there. And then what you're going to do, you're going to press enter. You notice that's exactly how it actually look like. And not only that, if you want to do it for the rest, something you have to just click right there. If you're using a mouse, you hold on the left side of the mouse or a touchpad, you drag it down like that. And notice it works for everybody right here. So hope you have learned something from this video. So remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.